The fact of the matter is this: if you're not getting the views to the videos you publish, then sadly the YouTube algorithm is holding your videos back. The good news is in this video I explain exactly how to turn that around and how to overcome the YouTube algorithm so you can get those views that you deserve. Stick around.
Brian G. Johnson.
Hey, it's Brian G, and to grow on YouTube, stake your claim and amplify your message. Do that by subscribing, and to really jumpstart your channel, check out my 40-minute YouTube Masterclass, link in the description. It happens all the time. Countless small channels publish videos that weeks or months later blow up. Just like this and this. And it happens to channels about cars and trucks. It happens to beauty channels, cooking channels, channels about gaming, and it can happen to your channel as well. However, the vast majority of creators here on this platform struggle to get any kind of measurable results. In fact, I polled over 1,500 YouTubers and I asked them a simple question: does the YouTube algorithm treat your videos fairly? And I was absolutely shocked to see the response. Over 70% of the creators said no, the algorithm does not treat my videos fairly. Now the fact of the matter is this: the YouTube algorithm, it does indeed act as a gatekeeper. It holds channels back. However, and this part is critical if you want to get results, the algorithm is driven by data that is collected by the viewers that watch your videos. For example, YouTube tells us that they reward videos that keep viewers watching, and they tell us that videos with consistently high audience retention have the potential to show up more frequently in search and suggested locations here on YouTube. So with that, I'd love to get your feedback on this video right here. Now, imagine you wanted to lose a few pounds, you saw the video here, and you clicked. My question for you is, how long would you watch? Let me roll a bit of that video right now.
10 tips for weight loss. South Africa is a developing country, however unlike.
How long would you watch? Leave me a comment below, and I'm also wondering, would you be likely to watch more videos from the channel? Would you be likely to subscribe to this particular video? Again, leave me a comment below. Now, it's important to understand there will always be exceptions to the rule. There will always be one channel that can kind of get away and do whatever they want. But generally speaking, people do not like videos with computer-generated robot voices. And to confirm this, I polled my audience once again and I asked them, how long would you be willing to watch a video with a computer-generated or robot voice? Over 1,100 people responded, and 77% said less than 1 minute. If you can't get a 1 minute average view duration on a video about weight loss, you can't get views. The algorithm will hold you back. However, what you can do is look at your videos and figure out, like, what can I do in order to overcome that? Another way you can think about this is simple. Think about your video has to pass a bunch of tests that the algorithm is going to really conduct. And it's going to get data from the viewers who watch your videos. Now, this statement is taken directly from YouTube. Keep in mind that your video thumbnails are always competing against other videos, whether on the home page, up next, on the watch page in search results, and even in the subscription feed. Now, let me give you another example from another struggling YouTuber. Remember, I asked, does the YouTube algorithm treat your videos fairly? And this channel, Let's Learn Together, responded with sad face emoji and nope. And this is the channel in question, Let's Learn Together. And my question to you is, do you think that these thumbnails could be improved to get more people to click and then, of course, get more views and more watch time? Again, leave me a comment below. You see, it's all of these things together that really determine the success of your video. Do you remember this statement here? And videos with consistently high audience retention and watch time have the potential to be shown more and suggested in search. The easiest way to get more watch time is to increase your CTR. Your CTR is a measurement of how often people are clicking on your thumbnails. If your thumbnail has a CTR of 2% and you increase it to 4%, your video gets double the watch time, double the views, double the chance to get more subscribers. And this is why you want to focus on your own videos and specifically what you can improve. Let me give you an example of what this looks like when you start doing this. This video was published 3 weeks ago. What's really cool is that, yeah, it's driven 21,000 views, which is great, but every single day it drives hundreds of views, it gets dozens of subscribers, and it's helped growing my channel. And if we look, the CTR is 7%. That's tremendous. And you can see here the video is getting traffic from browse. That's the video showing up on the home page. It's getting suggested video views, and it's doing really well in YouTube search. That's a lot of views. In fact, it ranks #1 for the target search term. How to get views from YouTube search. And sadly, here's the thing that I want you to think about. If the majority of YouTubers are struggling, if 70% of those people say the algorithm is holding them back, you're going to hear about that. You're going to see a lot of people struggling. If you start believing that the algorithm is holding you back, you're not going to be able to focus on improving your videos, and it'll be so much harder to make it work here on YouTube. Now, Gully is another YouTuber who responded to my question about the algorithm. And he says 1 year ago, my answer would have been no. But I've kept on the grind to increase my CTR and average view duration, and I think the algorithm has recognized that. Now, the easiest way to get more views to your video is really to focus on leveraging and understanding how to properly use keyword phrases. This video on the screen is going to break it down for you. Click and watch, and when you do, yeah, you're going to get those views, but even better, you're going to feed a poodle. I've got 2 poodles and they're hungry. You dig?